Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. I got Happy Mail, and this Happy Mail is from Goldmine and Coco. She had an awesome release at the beginning of September. And so I'm finally getting mine in hand and I'm excited to share it with you. So let's go ahead and crack this baby open and see what we got. Okay, woo. Goldmine and Coco, playing your Lutz life. Goodies! Okay, so first let's start with this. I got this Deluxe Powerful Kit. That's the name of it, Powerful Deluxe Kit. I tried to get one of these earlier. I actually tried to get one of the dolls and was not able to snag it, so I finally was able to get the kit, which has a nice size doll on here, and it says I am powerful, so I like that. So in August, she had a big trunk release because she was just coming back from the month of July being a shutdown day where, you know, they always do that every year to redo inventory and etc. etc. I was not able to get a few of these, so I finally was able to snag some in my order this time around. And so this one is called Beyonce Days. These are the trunk stickers, and it says Beyonce wasn't built in a day. And I like that. I like that. So anybody who is a celebrity normally puts in a lot of work to be who they are and to continue to develop who they are. So to me, this is a bigger message than just about the celebrity Beyonce. But yeah, so that's cute. Love the skirts. And as you guys know, these stickers coordinate with the painting stickers. And so I will be using those coming up, but I wanted to wait to get some of my trunk stickers in to use some of those. So now that I got them, I'll be using them. And I got 2 of them. I don't know if I did that on purpose or not, but I got 2 of them. So yay. Okay. And then this one is called Hype Me Up. I love it. So cute. Look at this little lingerie piece here. That's very detail oriented. And then we have Brown Barbie. Love that. We have Michelle Vibes. This is so pretty, you guys. I absolutely love the sandals and everything. And then we have All Black Everything. Love it. Look at those boots. And then here's Kaleidoscope. Now I have to admit, this was not one of my faves. But when I saw painting in it, I was like, oh, I have to get the full trunk sticker to make a spread with. So it grew on me, I have to say. And then here's the interlude. It just amazes me how fanny packs are coming back into play. It's All a Dream. Cute. Heaven on Earth. This outfit is cute. Love it. Butterflies and bees. I actually forgot that I got some of these. This is gorgeous. Okay. And then we got Blame It on Louis. That's cute. Louis Vuitton. And then we got Billie Jean. That's cute. Dior. Okay. So those are all of my trunk stickers. I'm so excited to use these. Okay, and then I did get some dolls. And so I got Carrington. Love that. I got Trina. believe that's how you say that. I'm so good with this like sweater and the V-neck. That's so neat right there. And then my girl Shade here. I think that's Sade. Sade. Let's go with Sade. She cute. Melinda. Love it. This is my girl Nadine right here. Yeah, this is my girl Nadine. I love this wrap. And then I went ahead and got Denise. I wasn't too for sure if I wanted this because this is definitely a throwback. But this was one of the vault stickers. And what got me is the skirting. I absolutely love it. I do have some stickers that are tulle stickers. So I really didn't need a Denise, but it was so cute. I went ahead and got it because, you know, pink is my color too. So, and then here's Tara. Girl, Tara. Look at these boos. I don't even know if you would call them boos. But they cute. They look fishnet like, but I can't remember if they're fishnets or actual boot. But they cute either way. And I wind up getting 2 of these. I don't know why I got 2, but I'm glad I did. Okay, y'all. Well, this is all of the sticker items that I got from Goldmine and Coco. And I am excited to include each and every one of them in my planners, journals, whatever I want to choose. Can't wait to use them and can't wait to show you how I use them. Don't forget, I do have a Goldmine and Coco referral link that you can use to save off of your purchases. And don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. And until the next time. Bye-bye.